Can you see the chef has an apron? See? I got it from the fans, of course. Thank you very much. Today, we're gonna make something really special. Everybody's been asking for it. Can you guess what it is from the ingredients? It's aprapransa! Let me show you the aprapransa. Come. Of course, we know avocado, some extra spices, smoked mackerel, super cool, a genie, and our favorite is back. Momone, salted beef, some spices, tomatoes, red and yellow onion, the garlic cloves, ginger, of course, the amane, was it right? Yes, and the smoked mackerel, maybe more, and the crabs, of course, and kulunu, and the corn flour. Everything ready to go for aprapransa! Start with the blender to blend some things. We wait with a yellow onion for later on, and we pour some water in. That's enough. Start with some things. The amane, the ajani, the super cool, the momone, the salted beef, the mackerel, and half of the sankofa, like that, and 2 of the habaneros, 1 there and 1 there, very important, and the tomato in the middle. Look, it looks like Christmas. We wait with the crabs a little bit because they are pre-boiled already, okay? Yes, let's go! Aprapransa! And 1 yellow onion, of course! There! Cook, mother, cook! Little tomato! Yes, how are you? I'm fine, how are you? Okay, this is the gravy for the aprapransa. We're just gonna cut it in small cubes. So we make it as a little... Oh, nice. Chef knows how to do this. Small grooves, yes. I'm so fast. Fast forward, please. Oh, yes, come to me now and play with me. Now it's time. It's been cooking for a good 20-25 minutes. Yes. Ooh, yes. So it's time for the walnut mix that I mixed with water. We're gonna make the abenquai to the aprapransa. Abenquai. You understand me? Don't speak chi. Say hello to me. Okay, it's a rhyme. Aprapransa. It's exciting, eh? It's wonderful. It has a nice texture. But it's time to blend. My yellow friend comes out with the tomato, of course. And maybe we can find a momone in here and blend it. No? What's this? Habanero. Let's continue. Where are you? Come out and play! This, I'll take this off. So somebody can chew on this. Okay? One more thing. Momone, where are you? Don't be a bore. Okay. And then I take some of the soup to blend it with. Just 2 scoops like this, okay? Not more. You don't want other water to... Come to me, set the spirit, I'll be free. Come on, blend. I will do it until the end. Everything goes in again. We're gonna rinse it out with some small water. So, abenquai has been cooking for another 30 minutes. It's time to add the crab. The crab has been pre-cooked, as you know, but for the juice, it should be juicy. Oh, it went down. Oh, it has its friend. Oh, I'm gonna turn you. Oh, that's perfect. So, you can sit there for a while and think of what you have been doing in your life. Bye-bye. To make the gravy for the aprapransa, take a little bit of red oil, just like that. Let it simmer up. And guess what? We take the star of the show. What is it? Come on, everybody. Momona. Put it in the middle so it starts burning. See? I love you, Momone. I love you so much. You're my only hope, Momone. And then we put in the other ones around so they can play with the Momone. Just like that, okay? One there. Let it simmer a little bit. And then we add the yellow onion, not the tomatoes. The tomatoes are a bit cranky today, so they want to stay. Are you? It has vanished. You see, it's melted. When the momone has melted, then it's time for the tomatoes to make their... Let it cook again. And we take these ones too. All at once. Come and play, we have fun tonight to love. I love you, momone, where are you now? Are you gone, where are you? You gonna be in my tummy. Momone. Come on everybody, momone, momone. Chef, we are ready. Okay, the crab needs to get out. Oh, it looks wonderful. Come to me. Oh, yes. Turn it around slowly, like only a chef can do. Grab it firmly. Put it here to rest. Put the soup aside. And we take 4 scoops of this. 1, 2, 3, maybe 5. 4, 5, maybe 6. Okay, that's it. And then you're gonna add the flour and stir it, okay? This is very important so you get the right texture. Don't take too much for the
I can help you.
Stop. It's gonna thicken up. All limbs away. You have to work it out. This is what I do best, yes. Aprapransa. The aprapransa is two-in. See this? It goes away like this, like a dough. See? You can throw it around. It's perfect. Yes. Got it. You got it. I got it. See? Like that. Follow, share. It's time to taste the aprapransa. Take a bit of this. Take a bit of the garnishing. In my tummy. Oh, but it's really good. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna crush the crab, not off camera. Guys, try this recipe. Follow every step. The chef knows what the F he's doing, okay? See you next time, guys. I have to eat. Oh, it's so good. Spicy too. Come here, little crab. Okay. Don't film anymore. Let me eat in peace.